Happy Friday, 7th grade friends. Here we go. We're going to get right into it. You are going to finish up your Canadian province research project today. And I have a big, exciting announcement, so watch carefully. Today, we're going to start where it says Friday. Start here. Watch Friday's video first. That's what you're doing right now, so way to follow directions. It has some exciting news regarding your assignment. Here's the exciting news. There are 2 slides that we have to finish yet, culture and fun facts. My gift to you is this. You can pick one of the 2. So you are going to do either slide 5 or slide 6. Do not do both, one or the other. All right? If you pick culture, these are your instructions. If you pick fun facts, these are your instructions. So let's take a look at culture. Culture is the same for everyone. Every culture, I'm under Nova Scotia here. Every culture has 2 cultural stories, kind of 2 things that are unique to them, and everybody's is different. So you're just going to read about those 2 cultural things that are unique to your particular province. In this case, it's Nova Scotia. So I'd read about Dill's giant pumpkins and summarize that in bullet form and have a picture. I would do the same thing when it came to the Mystery Money Pit of Oak Island, that cultural aspect. Read it, summarize it in bullet form, and add a picture. If I choose to do bullet or culture, that's all I need to do. Okay, summarize each cultural aspect in 3 bullets and then provide a picture for each. That would be done for culture. Fun facts, you're going to report on 3 things. Their official emblems, their major league sports team, or a picture of one of their recipes. So that's either or. And then 2 did you know things. So let me show you what that looks like. If you would happen to pick fun facts, here are the official emblems, and you would report on a couple of these. The flower, the bird, the tree, the tartan, or the coat of arms. Kind of choose which one you want to do. You're going to report on a major league sports team. Now, Nova Scotia doesn't have one, so then you're kind of forced into picking recipes then. So you're either going to do sports or recipes. For recipes, you're just going to, we got seafood chowder or Cape Breton pork pies. So you're going to find a picture of one of those and include that. Then it did ask you also to go to the home page of Nova Scotia. And on that front page, on that front page of Nova Scotia, the home page, is these did you knows, a whole bunch of unique fun facts. You would pick 2 of these from the home page to share. So those are your choices to do culture or to do fun facts. But remember to follow those directions carefully, what's asked of you as far as what to report on. This is technically not due until the next time we meet, which in this case is not till Monday, April 13 at 10 o'clock. However, part of my gift for you was to allow you to have time to finish it today so you could just submit it and just be done. Some of you need a little extra time to get caught up, or maybe you want a little extra time to go back and add some doodads or formatting to your presentation. But once you're done, you can hit submit. It's not technically due until the next time we meet, but I just encourage you to finish it up so you can enjoy your Easter break. Just a reminder that, you might think that this is a great gift to only have to do 1 slide instead of 2, but what it's supposed to be is a little visual reminder for you of the best gift that we've been given, and that is our salvation. Just friends, remember that Jesus loves you, He died for you, and now you can live for Him in true freedom, in true joy, and in true peace. that is something to celebrate. So have fun next week celebrating that with your family. As always, contact me with questions. I love your questions. Have a great day, Chargers.